guys, welcome back to my channel. And if I'm being completely honest with you, today's video is one I didn't think I'd be doing. I just didn't think I would fall for this gimmick and actually go ahead and buy a Dyson Airwrap. But you know what? You can never say never. So now we're here. I actually got this on Sephora. I was waiting for it to come into the store. I just didn't want to wait for it to be delivered. And then they told me, like, listen, honey, everything is back ordered because of, well, COVID. And we're going to be back ordered until like April. And I was like, oh, no, you're not. I see it online all the time. So then I just went ahead and bought one. I haven't opened it. I got it a couple days ago, but I waited until I had to wash my hair so I could do a full unboxing and do a full review for the first time. So now we're here. Let's see how this goes. Okay guys, so I had to stop the video because I had some difficult technical difficulties to take off this little thing. But I just opened up the case and this is so beautiful. What the fuck? Oh my god, okay. It is so legit. Jay is literally standing in the doorway just like waiting for magic to happen apparently with my hair. Okay. Take it out of the box. Oh, it's sliding. It's sliding. It's sliding. It's coming out. It's coming out. It's coming out. True life right here. Okay. Thank you. Case is out. This is so beautiful. This is the leather color I want in my next car, if I'm being honest. No more red for me. I want this. And then you open it up and it has this little protector and then it comes with this very fancy thing telling me how to do it. And lo and behold, holy grail. Okay. Oh my god. I wish I could smell. I want to smell the new Dyson smell. But I can't smell still. This is so exciting. I need to take a picture. So exciting. Okay. So, Miss Dyson or Mr. Dyson? What is this? Because most of my hairdressers have always been men. So I don't know what we're going to call her. Or him. Here she comes. Out of the packaging. About that. This isn't heavy. This isn't heavy at all for right now. It's so beautiful. Oh my god. So as you can tell, my hair is like straight out of the shower. It's still wet, so I'm gonna blow dry it. You guys, I think this excitement is if I had just bought like a Chanel or something and then I lock it into place. Or maybe I need to. No? I mean, it's already locked. How do I unlock it? Oh, there, it's unlocked. Okay. Got it. We're learning. Okay. This is so powerful. Oh my god. Okay, so I have it on the highest heat because that's how it came with. So I think I'm going to put it in the middle heat right now. And I think I'm going to put it in the middle power too. I wonder, how does it... Okay. I'm trying to figure out how to put the cool blast on, but for now, we're gonna blow dry my very wet hair. This is a lot more powerful than I thought. And watching YouTube reviews, people kept saying that this isn't as powerful as the blow dryer. So I just really want to know how powerful the blow dryer really is, because I don't use blow dryers. Like, I would always let my hair naturally dry. So let's see. Okay, so this has been 5 minutes of blow drying my hair. It is quite dry, not that damp, but here is still a little wet. So I want to try another one of the attachments just because I like want to try them on my first video. So let me switch it out. I'm going to put this back into the box. According to this, I'm going to try the firm smoothing brush because I just want it to be like, I know, nice and firm. Let's try that. Look, you gotta try, you gotta come and touch it.
That's what she said.
That's actually really good. You're old fashioned.
It's good, right? It tastes like old fashioned.
Yeah, touch my hair. Like, look how not what it is.
I mean, okay.
Like it's like just damp.
Okay, I mean, I don't know what I'm feeling for.
So this is like a hard smoothing brush. This is the blow dryer.
Okay.
Like the famous Dyson blow dryer. So I just like blow dried with that. And I just did like 2 minutes with this because I wanted to just try it.
But does it get hot?
I mean, yeah, if I wanted to, but I put it in the middle of the...
This in the middle?
Yeah. Yeah, it'll definitely come out your hair. And now I'm going to use these.
Oh, it's recording.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry, go.
You just made it into my YouTube video. Had a little interruption with Jay. I mean, it's been like 10 minutes and my hair is quite, like it's still a little damp, but I think this is as damp as they want me to have it to try the air wrap. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna part it and like separate it. And I am a millennial, so I'm gonna side part it because I'm sorry, I do not look better with the middle part. Where did I put my ponytails in here? Okay. So I'm gonna side part it and I'm also gonna clip it. So, side part. I'm almost there basically. I'm gonna clean up the side part a little bit, but I basically did it with that brush. That brush would literally smooth out any frizz. I can already tell. I didn't use it well enough, and this is really just like one of my first impressions, like kind of just being very excited that I'm using it. So let's go with my left side first since it has less hair. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this side in a ponytail. If I'm being honest, it feels so weird parting my hair like on different sides. Because I usually do like from bottom to top, like I'll part my hair here and then like I'll work my way up. But I really do want the curls to be in a direction. So let's see, I think I'm gonna part, we're gonna start with like this piece. Okay, good enough. You see, I can't even twist my hair this way. Yee! Okay, so another reason I got the Airwrap is because I love the curls that I do with my wand, but I know that is a lot of heat, whereas this is not meant to be as much heat. And I also don't know how to curl away from my face. Like I can only curl in one direction, so I'm very excited to try this. So the idea here is I think like this, so it curls away from my face. I should have watched the tutorial, but I got very excited. Yeah, I'm gonna try this, and if not, then I'm just gonna change it out. These are the normal barrels that it comes with. I do think I'm gonna purchase the bigger barrels in due time. I just wanted to make sure that I like it before I purchase anything else. It's not like this is a cheap product, so let's do. We're gonna do this. We're gonna grab the hair, okay? I'm gonna grab this piece of hair, turn it on. And I'm gonna start from here. Yeah, I didn't got it. Okay, we're gonna do it again. So maybe I have to start it from here. Well, that's a little piece of hair. We're gonna full shot it. And then we're gonna turn it off. Okay, but why did it only grab this much hair? I'm gonna try that again. Because that can't be right. I think I'm using the wrong barrel. Let's see. There we go. Okay, wait. Okay, I was using the wrong barrel. We're gonna do this again. I literally, all I have to do is bring it up like this. Okay. I don't know why this is like that. Cool boost. Technical malfunction with my camera, but that seems to be, this is the barrel. So here we go again. What the fuck? Ah, there we go. Okay. This is strong, guys. Yeah. Look at that curl. I'm not loving this here, but it's okay. Maybe I'll use a smaller piece next time. Babe, you're missing the cool part. Oh my god, look how tight that is. Okay, next. I'm gonna move through this. You see this here, I'm not loving all of this frizziness, but I think I'll learn how to take that away. That's a small piece of hair. And I'm gonna truth. I need my comb. I don't brush it all out and like poof it up. I look like Dolly Parton.
You look real like
Voluminous.
it's like hair thickness.
Okay. Let's do this. Wait. Okay. So, very voluminous. Let's see the back. The curls aren't that curly, right? And I can't see.
No, they're usually more curly.
Yeah, like.
Oh, you combed it, didn't I? So,
yeah. Okay. I need to learn how to use this. That is my verdict.
Yeah.
And figure it out. Wow, I look like Dolly Parton, guys. The blonde, non-southern Dolly Parton. Like, this is nice here. And this is really nice here. Like, these are beautiful curls. Like this. And like blow dried. Like, go to the salon. I just need to figure out how to not make it so poofy here. Let's see, maybe if I use this. I'm gonna use the soft one now. Clearly you guys can tell I'm just learning and having fun tonight. Okay, let's turn this on.
What are you doing in the bathroom? Let me straighten it. You straighten it before you...
You're supposed to leave it kind of down. That's better. On a scale of 1 to 10, I give it like a 6 or a 7.
We just because we gotta figure out.
Like this. I just keep saying, like, this is beautiful right here. Like this.
Beautiful.
Yeah, like these curls right here are like gold with my color and everything. Oh, can I take a shower now? This is how your man can use it. 2 for 1. Okay guys, so I give my hair a 6 out of 10 because I don't know how to use it. I think this here is really nice. I think these are really nice here. I just need to learn. This is the first time ever, so I think like everything, I just need to figure out a technique, figure out my barrels, figure out how much time I need to dry it so this is like less poofy and nice and straight. But I'm really excited to keep on using it. As far as the Dyson, I think the machine is cool as fuck. Like the technology behind it is amazing. Like it's just something new. Like we're so used to again like curling it and doing all of this, and what this is literally just like let your air, like your hair get sucked in by the air and like ooh, just bring it to your scalp. I mean, I don't know how long that took me. I would say maybe 20, 30, 45 minutes. Exploring and opening and everything like that, but I'm really excited to come back down here once I know how to use it properly for my hair type and like for myself, and do like a full tutorial and give you guys like the scoop on how it goes. But like I look like a blonde fucking bombshell right now with this curl. This curl right here made it worth it. This one right here, that was the last curl I did on my whole head, and it is the most beautiful one. So with that, I'm signing off. Thanks for following. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe, like, comment. Give me your tips below. I would love to hear what you guys do with your Dyson. I would love to hear if you got inspired to buy a Dyson and like what other content you guys would want to see, because this is amazing. And the fact that I just did my hair and washed it all in the same night is going to be so amazing once we're able to go out again, because I never blow dried my hair, and it was horrible because if my hair wasn't like on our going out schedule, then I wouldn't really have nice hair that night, and it was just shitty. So winning, winning, winning.